Who's ready for World Series? Birds, birds, birds. You guys look like you're birding a graveyard.
Game day. No, we ready. We're ready.
I got a question I've been dying to ask you, and you can tell us whatever the answer is. It's totally fine.
Yes.
Why did you pick us?
You guys were A, the first to reply, B, the most visible team, and C seemed like the most fun.
Good choice.
Yeah.
Can I, Captain?
Yeah, all right. It's the 40th World Series of Birding. We're in Wallkill. We threw out the route from last year, and we're doing something really different. I'm excited for tonight. I'm not excited for the rain in Cape May. Hopefully we get 200 birds. Let's see what happens.
Sounds good. And we don't want Canada goose to be bird number 1.
No.
No.
No. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Birds. Okay, so we're leaving Vernon, going back to Wallkill. What do we have, 14? Is that the count?
I believe so.
Highlights right now, there's another fox. That's number 3 tonight. Gallinule.
Yellow-billed cuckoo.
Yellow-billed cuckoo was great. That's it, right?
Solitary sandpiper?
Yeah.
Solitary sandpiper is a good pick.
We have a couple of okay birds, but we don't have
on the right?
any rails. Yeah.
Literally can't see.
Sorry.
Depends on how you define common gallinule.
We have a rallid, but we don't have anything with rail in the name. Okay, we don't have Sora or Virginia rail, okay? And no least, we don't have any bitterns. B-turns. I don't know. We got Great Horned and Barred. We don't have Screech. So, we'll see.
I'd also like to find that wherever that kestrel box is on the wolf pit.
Action.
What's up, Mark?
Hey guys.
How you doing?
How's it going?
How you doing?
What's up, Ken?
Hey,
How's it going?
Pizza. Nice.
Is this an A to B route?
No, it's a circle.
It's a circle? Okay.
Is that pine? I got pine.
Yeah.
Oh, that,
Yeah.
wow, yeah, nice.
That looks like a red-breasted nuthatch.
It definitely looks like a nuthatch.
That's a red-breasted nuthatch.
It's now in the one with the poison ivy on it.
Poison ivy tree top.
All the way at the top. What's this up high? Raptor. Tell me that's a friggin'... What do you guys think that is? I'm not gonna say it.
It's not a red tail. Hold on.
Thank you.
What do you guys see?
Trying to decide. Is it a ratty red tail?
Ratty goobie red.
Ah. Yeah. It's missing feathers. eating kebabs and we're driving to Forsyth. And we screwed up the monk parakeet spot. So Rob was saying something, and I thought he was saying something else. And we missed the exit. And to go back would be 24-minute detour, so that's definitely out of the question. So that's taking one in the face, which is not fun. And we know it's raining in South Jersey right now, so we're trying to use our time wisely and get to where we're going maybe when there's a break in the rain. It's still an hour and a half away, so it's kind of hard to tell, but we're going to see how it turns out when we get there.
Andrew's just full ragdoll.
We're still awake. I mean, me just barely, but we're still awake. So this is when we get to make fun of the other guys. Sorry. It's a long day. No joke. We might be dodging a bullet for a little while.
Here, yeah, can you go left here?
It looked like kind of the shape of a stilt sandpiper.
It's a dowitcher. Okay, never mind.
A lot of Dunlin.
Oyster catcher, flying left. Low to the
Yeah.
wall.
Yeah.
Excellent. Stop moving, don't stop. Oh, what is it? Got it? I got it? Song sparrow. Darn it.
The one on the ground?
Yeah.
Better to check.
So for shorebirds on the checklist, we still have blackneck stilt, oyster catcher, piping plover, uppy, godwit, red knot, sanderling, white rump, peck, purple, dunlin. Oh, no, we got dunlin. Stilt, snipe, foul rope.
It's not bad. I mean, that's...
It's these damn jean shorts I'm wearing, I tell ya.
They were cutting off my circulation. I couldn't get to the pedals in time.
Well.
Can give you good looks?
We're in Belle Plaine and we're doing very well, but it's raining. And the birds are not singing, but they are active. So we've made the decision to get out of the car and walk around wherever we go so that we can get the best chance of actually seeing the bird. We've seen yellow-throated, we've seen summer tanager, we've seen prothonotary, and we're just looking for warm-eating warbler now. You've been at this for whatever this is, like 14, 16 hours?
Yeah.
What do you think of this so far?
This is epic. I don't know why everyone doesn't do the
Neither do
World
we.
Series of birding. It's fantastic. It's difficult. Makes you really delirious. You're not sure if you're hallucinating sounds or sights or if they're real. Somehow you keep ticking off the list.
Alright, so we had 65, we're down to like 63, and then
We don't mess around.
65. Oh, no.
7. So 10. We ate 55.
Nice.
That's including those that you have to eat.
Oh my god. Well, happily. Okay.
It's the end of the day, and we are demanding that Annika eats one of the kebabs that we made. So she's gonna give us her honest opinion of the steak kebab.
Option number 1 in the meat bag. Okay.
Oh yeah.
The meat bag.
Yep.
You gonna attach this to our video?
Absolutely.
Yep. That's World Series gourmet. That'll find some birds.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. Yep.
What time is it? 10:20. It's 10:20. The day is
9:56.
9:56. It's 9:56. The day is almost over. We're on our way to Turkey Point to try to get possibly 2 owls and a rail and a whippoorwill. That's probably pretty optimistic.
Or you being negative
Am I being negative?
by saying it's optimistic? To be hopeful? Yes. Yes, in fact, that is what you're being.
I think I would call it pragmatism.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Tomato,
what someone
tomato.
like you would say.
We had a great sound on the car.
Oh yeah, we could hear on the little ways back as well.
No vines.
Not yet.
Cool. Yeah, good luck.
Thanks.
It's 11:53, and our total ends up being, well, actually, I'm not going to tell you yet. But we have to fill out this trip report, and we've got to send it in. So I'm pressing submit. Our email is sent to the judges, and our score is now final. And now we wait to find out how we did. Good morning, everybody. My name is Dan. I'm with Avian Avarice. We had a fabulous time yesterday. Had a great time up north. We saw almost all of the birds that we scouted, except for the ones that didn't show up, which was good. We had a great day with warblers, which was probably, I guess, the highlight for the team that we've been discussing so far. Our best day in a couple of years. And this is my, I want to say, 16th year doing the competition. And most of our members here are longtime veterans also. We have one honorary member who joined us for the first time. And we're going to be back again for the next 15 plus years, or whatever it turns out to be. So looking forward to next year. Gentlemen, another year in the books. Another year in the books. We came in 4th or 5th, depending on how you want to count it. Should be 5th. Yeah. Yikes, but next year, we'll be better.